In the early 21st century, India faced significant economic challenges. Poverty was widespread, and access to technology was limited. But the story took a remarkable turn with the leadership of Narendra Modi, who became India's Prime Minister. Modi understood that technology would be India's ticket to transformation. He launched initiatives to promote digital literacy and innovation. This included campaigns like Digital India to connect rural areas with the Internet and Make in India to boost manufacturing, including in the technology sector. Under his leadership, India attracted tech giants like Google and Microsoft to invest in the country. These collaborations led to advancements in computer technology and artificial intelligence. India's skilled workforce played a crucial role, with many young Indians pursuing careers in tech. As a result, India's tech industry began to thrive. It became a global hub for software development, IT services, and startups. The Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru, flourished as a tech epicenter. Over time, India's economy strengthened, and it made its mark on the world stage. Narendra Modi's vision and commitment to technology and development propelled India from a struggling nation to a rising economic powerhouse. By 2047, India achieved its goal of becoming a developed nation, thanks to the transformative power of technology and visionary leadership.